Today I show you how to use an egg slicer. This is a device where you put something here and it will cut thin slices. This is a metal egg slicer. And this is a plastic egg slicer. This is more travel friendly. This is much lighter. And also you can cut bigger things with it. You don't only cut eggs, you can cut a lot of things with this. Let's try the metal one. So I have a boiled egg here. You can put it either horizontally like this, like the long side going against these cutting strings, or you could do it like this. Doesn't matter. I prefer like this. So let's see the egg slicer. Let's see the egg slicer in action. And now you can take it and it's nicely sliced. You can do it like this for salad, for anything. Very nicely sliced. That's it. Maybe I'll eat it now.